Your TV screens in the office are likely either showing the same few videos over and over again or displaying listings placed in a PowerPoint presentation that is rarely accurate, as it takes time to update it, or simply turned off. TVs can inform, educate, entertain, and set the atmosphere in the office. So do that. Motivate agents by showing office listings and sales live from MLS on your TVs. Opposite PowerPoint presentations can show you listings with stunning zooming and panning effects. You can display listings and sales with different templates. With a few clicks, you can recognize top agents, integrate a color-coded office calendar, celebrate birthdays automatically, add your own pictures of office outings and social gatherings, and even mix it with videos potentially shown on specific days and times. All of these capabilities are in themselves enough to outcompete manually made PowerPoint presentations and USB sticks. But we have more for you. You can also use your TVs for office background music that is synchronized with the sound from your videos, which means no overlapping sounds. For example, set it up to automatically play quiet music in the mornings and energetic music in the afternoons, or any kind of music at any time you want. Be the engaging office and let agents interact and promote success on the TV screens. Watch more on this in a separate video. If you are a chain, management and coaches can, for example, have certain days they send live or recorded transmissions simultaneously to a couple or thousands of TV screens. These will overwrite whatever else is being shown for the length of the broadcasting. Make money of your TV screens. Help your preferred affiliates be in front of your agents more frequently. Let them advertise for their services on your TV screens on predefined advertising blocks with an easy way for them to upload their own content, all in accordance with your agreements. This will help the affiliates be top of mind with the agents. There is also a separate video on this. Become one of the elite progressive offices in this industry who use LunaLista's TV concept to inform, educate, entertain, and set the atmosphere in the office. For more information, call or text LunaLista right now, 562-551-8857, or email tv@lunalista.com.